inflation swaps, and over the last couple of days, rightfully so. Look, commodities have been up off their lows, like on a basket basis, and swaps rip off their lows too. But inflation swaps, especially the longer term swaps, which we like to really put focus on, especially when it comes to bonds, because when you're trading duration. When you're trading anything with any sort of duration, any sort of longer maturity, the shorter term inflation swaps are less influential. So we got to look a little bit further out in the curve. And this is where we go to the 10-year. And we're just looking at the 10-year here. We're only talking like 4 or 5 basis points, right? And in the terms of inflation swaps, the range on them isn't as massive as you might think. So the top end of the range looks to be 2.8. It's 2.8 here, and the bottom range is 2.2. So you've got about a 60 basis point spread. So it's not like these are going to move up and down 50 basis points in a day or 20 basis points in a day. They're relatively small. The important takeaway from the inflation swaps chart is that even though we're seeing commodities, and we could just take a quick look at GSG here, near the upper end of their local range here, pretty much their yearly range for this year. But the GSG is almost made a new yearly high today in this last session.